to Healthander. Today, I have something truly special to discuss: the amazing world of green vegetables and their incredible nutritional content. Number 1, broccoli. It contains vitamin A, manganese, iron. Cruciferous like broccoli provide to cancer prevention, lower cholesterol, and eye health. Number 2, beets. It contains potassium, iron, and vitamin C. So, beetroots and beetroot juice have many health benefits, especially for heart health and exercise performance. Number 3, eggplant. It contains vitamin A, C, and protein. So, eggplant has antioxidants like vitamins A and C, which help protect your cells against damage. Number 4, cabbage. It contains vitamin K1 and vitamin K2. So, vitamin K1 is a key nutrient that plays many important roles in our body. One of its main roles is to act as a cofactor for enzymes that are responsible for clotting the blood. Number 5, pea. It contains vitamin A, C, K and vitamin B1, B2, B3 and B9. So, peas contain heart-friendly minerals including magnesium, potassium and calcium, and are also rich in antioxidant nutrients like vitamin C. Number 6, spinach. It contains vitamins A, C, and K, iron, calcium, folate and fiber. It supports bone health, promotes healthy vision, aids digestion, boosts immunity. Number 7, zucchini. It contains potassium, vitamins A, C, and K and fiber. It supports healthy digestion, aids in weight management, promotes eye health, reduces inflammation. Number 8, green peppers. It contains vitamins C and A, fiber and potassium. Enhances immune function, supports eye health, aids in digestion, promotes healthy skin. Number 9, Swiss chard. It contains vitamins K, A, and C, iron, magnesium and fiber. Swiss chard also contains the antioxidants beta-carotene, lutein, and zeaxanthin. Aids in blood sugar control, promotes healthy digestion. Number 10, green beans. It contains vitamins A, C, and K, iron, folate, fiber, and manganese. Green bean helps fight inflammation and is a good source of folate and potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure. That's all for today's video. We hope you enjoyed learning about the incredible nutritional content of green vegetables. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe Healthander for more informative tips.